In this episode, we will be discussing California rental property must have a telephone jack. The California Civil Code, Chapter 2, Section 1941.4 addresses the need for a landlord's residential rental property to have a telephone jack. Inside telephone wiring. The lessor of a residential building shall be responsible for installing at least one usable telephone jack and for placing and maintaining the inside telephone wiring in good working order, and shall ensure that the inside telephone wiring meets the applicable standards of the most recent California Electrical Code and shall make any required repairs. The lessor shall not restrict or interfere with access by the telephone utility to its telephone network facilities. It is important to note, inside telephone wiring, for purposes of this section, means that portion of the telephone wire that connects the telephone equipment at the customer's premises to the telephone network at a demarcation point determined by the Telephone Corporation in accordance with orders of the Public Utilities Commission. For additional laws and articles, visit AmericanLandlord.com.